So for tonight, we're going to be installing a radio into our Kubota cab. The Kubota Grand L series come pre-wired for a radio. You can buy one from the factory, but they're kind of expensive and you don't really get a whole lot of extra features. So right now I am double checking the wiring diagrams, make sure it's accurate. Then we'll go into a shop and wire up the two plugs between the radio and the Kubota harness, and we'll go ahead and install it into the cab. So what we have here, Jensen head unit, basic one off of Amazon. It was 30 bucks. It's just AM FM with Bluetooth, no CD player on that. Have our Kubota adapter plug, and then the Jensen radio plug, and also a noise suppressor, because in other kits that I saw, they had those in there to help reduce the alternator noise. So we're going ahead and put that in there. We'll go ahead and get this wired up. So now it's time to install the radio mount, which is just the standard radio holder with these tabs that bend out up into the hole. Just stick that up in there, maybe. Uh-oh. Alright. It's a little tight, but if we do it right. it's a tight fit. Definitely 2 hands to do that. We'll take the screwdriver in here and bend some of these tabs up. Right there. Alright, so before we plug this all the way in, we're going to test it out here. Stick that in there, put that in there. Ease that in there, then we'll turn our ignition on. Ah-da-da! It works. Let's see if we could. How do we tune this thing? We're inside the metal shed, so probably don't get the best reception. But hey, not bad. Well, that works. Make sure everything's gonna tuck up and out of the way. And then finish it off with a faceplate. Bam! Professional. So that there finishes up the radio install. Now you can do one on your own for your own tractor if you don't want to buy a factory kit. Came in, I'll have to do the total, put it in the comments, but it came in, well, probably under $100 easily, probably under 75. Anyway, now I'll be able to rock out in style while doing work. Catch you guys later.